our 120 voltage 7.5-inch commercial meat slicer. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a length total of 13.25 inches. Overall height, we have at least 12.5 inches. 12.5 inches include the legs beneath the meat slicer. And the overall depth of 9.5 inches. Center radius, the blade will measure 7.5 inches. And features for the meat slicer will include, on the side, you can adjust the compression depending on the size and slab of the meat that you'd like to place on a surface for slicing, along with the lock and release lever to manually slice your meats. Coming to the side is the on-off power switch, NSF ETL certification sticker, along with the 110-120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.